It's another sunny day, so today we're going to Marano. We're in Marano, and we're going to take a boat. I'm wearing my sun hat. This is from Korea, protects me against the sun. I think it's cute. And these are arm coolers. And the sun was kind of burning my arms, so I put these on. Now I've got to see where we take the boat. And it's just 10 euros, I think, per person to get on, and they go around Marano. I really don't know what's involved with this. This is where you can get fish, and also that's a cannery where they make where they put tuna into cans. This is where we are. It's a natural reserve of wetlands. So we're going to learn about Marano and what we're going to see. And look, there's a little shrimp. Oh, there's an eel in there. It's an eel, anguilla. You see an anguilla? So majestic. This one has the fish under the sand. I don't know if you can see the long-legged bird that keeps dipping its head in the water. So cute. It like seriously looks like it walks on water, and it flies with the legs sticking out. Fishing boats, that's a big, I guess they catch bigger fish like that? I don't know. You can see the tower and the city of Marano back there. We should really visit like the east coast of Canada as well when we're there. Because it's gorgeous, and they have really good.
Why not? I said.
Yeah, I know what you said exactly. Jeez. So sensitive. We're on our way. This is what it looks like inside.
So good.
Yeah.
Pay attention.
Italian seagulls. They're a little bit smaller. Actually, this one's just like the ones in Toronto. I had an ex-boyfriend in Canada, but he was from Japan, and he said, why are there so many seagulls in Toronto? Because there's no ocean. There's just the lake, but the lake is huge.
A little shrine to Maria. We're going faster now, and the breeze is so cool. I took off my hat because of the wind. In the middle of nowhere. Well, we're near Lignano. There are more swans that way as well. So you have this highway that we're following, and the posts mark the highway, the water highway. Like it's the same thing in Venice, that you can read the post to know where you're going and where you can go. Oh, they're all small.
Vedete se riuscite a scorgere. Vediamo.
Guarda la carta dentro,
Ma, oh.
Guarda.
Mom.
Bella, questo sembra... Sono tre. Tre. Che
Dove andiamo?
Andiamo alla
Fixed così.
Ah, eccolo! 4.
Possiamo ritornare dietro.
Quindi avete la possibilità anche di vedere dove
Ritornati indietro.
circa una mezz'oretta al massimo, 20 minuti di tempo per poter sostare.
Hey.
Yeah, you eat fish, you drink a good white wine.
Wow. This is an actual little village where about 20 people actually live.
They live here, you know.
Yeah.
They eat, they work, they do stuff.
Yeah.
A memory.
But it's kind of like a museum though. Wondering what we're all doing here suddenly. Is this where they do, like they can have a bonfire here?
See? Here they do the barbecue with the fish.
Do you think everyone eats together?
Sì, I think so.
Nel 1960 ha cominciato, 50 e 60 più precisamente, ha cominciato a mettere i motori sulle patelle per cui andavano a casa ogni sera e che col motore insomma in 4 ore, 20 minuti.
Oh gosh, we had like a piece of bread and we had a glass of wine each, and I'm feeling like I don't usually drink alcohol, so when it comes to alcohol, I'm really like weak. That's the word. One glass of wine. Enrico, the babies. The baby's so cute. Oh, it's the same ones we saw before, maybe. Although there's
They stay with their mama, you know, like Freyja.
swans mate for life.
Well, yeah. They are showing for us. Thank you, they are so kind. They are kind, really.
Let's see if they caught something.
Yeah, don't think in half an hour.
Yeah.
No, just one maybe.
Ah.
I see one.
They caught a fish. Bye.
Grazie Daniele, grazie, un applauso.
Time we go. We're going back to Marano now, which is actually which was a Venetian town, but it's actually in Friuli, so it's part of Udine province. And now we're passing San Pietro Legnano. We started at 2:30 and it's almost 7. So and it only costs 10 euros, which is amazing. So it's really worth it to come here and do this tour.
If you come here, try this too.
And see what there is to see here in the downtown, the center part of the city. Basically, this is it. We are downtown. You know? Yeah. They have these little streets all around.
These guys
Cheers.
from US, Toronto, Asia, welcome in Italy on the sea.
So just across from where we took the boat, we have Al Pescatore. I'm exhausted right now. Drinking another glass of
boat we
wine.
did.
More.
4
And
hours of boat, I don't know.
sparkling water. All this fish came right from, where we were.
Grazie.
I got the oil.